How to charge GoPro when filming a video. So your first step would be to simply make use of a USB cable. So connect a USB-C cable to your GoPro and plug it into a power source. The power source could be a wall charger, power bank, a laptop USB port. Any of those can supply the needed currents. And then once you're done, you could also try using a high power charger. For the best results, use a charger or power bank with enough output power. The recommended is a 5 volt or 2 ampere or higher. Now, once you're done there, you could also try opening the side door or using a pass through door. So, open the side of the battery door and just simply plug in your cable by keeping the cable secure during your recordings. That way, it keeps charging while being recorded. And then you could just record normally and try to watch for overheating. Long recordings and charging can generate heat, so make sure your camera is ventilated and normal. And then just try removing the battery if possible. So some users remove the internal battery and power, then they use the GoPro directly from the USB for longer shorts or streams. All right.